Hello everyone, I hope you are good and fine. Today our next video with Adobe Photoshop, the next basic tool. We will talk about the next third tool, the basic tool in this video. So here we go. I open the Adobe Photoshop. These two tools we already talked before in two videos. So today we gonna talk on our third Adobe Photoshop tool. This tool is called Lasso tool and it will use for freehand selections. Here you can see you can select freehand for any selection. So how it will work, we will try and we will use this tool a little bit in this video. There is also many other ways to make any selections in Photoshop, but this is also the tool that many people use for selections. So here we go, we will make new workspace and create make any background and any text, make it bigger and change the color. So here you can see text in front of us. So there is third Lasso tool. This is the tool like tracing and freehand. Here you can see it select freehand. Here you can see this is the selection it did by Lasso tool. So if we want to select Lasso tool, select Lasso tool and now see, hit click the left button of mouse and here you can see I am tracing, here moving my mouse and this selection I make. Here you can see this is the selection I did. Here you can see from inside the E I selected with this Lasso tool. This will work like something like this. Now check the Lasso tool, second tool, polygonal Lasso tool, the main tool Lasso tool, then right click and there is also a arrow under the icon of Lasso tool. Click on this right and right click on this and here is some other options: polygonal Lasso tool, magnetic Lasso tool. These are also some kind of selection tool from Lasso tool. So select polygonal Lasso tool and have a look how it will work. Okay, now I click the button and it's start a line, draw a line like this. Now I click once again second, then it's select draw a line like before. Freehand tool, start tracing, then I select polygonal, second Lasso tool. So it works something like this. Now I click third, 4, 5. Here you can see something like this. It's select like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can see it's make selection something like this. This is a little bit easier from freehand lasso tool. So again I click, I will trace T, click, 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 click. I am clicking and click, click, click. This is tracing and selecting. Here you can see it's very easy. Select the T. You can see one more T we got. If we did with focus and slowly, then need practice to do this edges. Now the third, magnetic lasso tool. This is very cool and more easier than the polygonal and simple lasso tool. This is some kind of automatic selection. It will help to select auto. Let's try and see. Have some zoom. Here is the C. I will single click. Now you can see I am just moving the mouse and it's doing selection by own. Here you can see I am just moving the shape of C. Here it's go, here we go. It's making selection by your default, by own. I am just moving the area or the part I want to select. I am just moving around my mouse and it's selecting very well. Here you can see the perfect selection. Here you can see we got selection of C. Here we go. For more perfection on edges, and we need some practices and we need to do it slowly. So this is the basic work of lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool and magnetic lasso tool. We can also edit the pictures, images from select lasso tool, like here some more example of selection, like open this. This is some kind of blurry picture. Let me open something else like this. Here is the logo, there is disk. Now we will separate and select the disk with polygonal lasso tool. Here we go, single click and select. Now you can see, now we select separate the disk and we can move it, rotate it separate. You can see how easy. Here you can see we select it. Here we can also use magnetic lasso tool. Here you can see, single click and just move around the shape. Here we go. Here you can see how it's work. For more perfection, you just do it slowly. Here you can see. Now we select this part. This is very easy, just need practices. So there is also many other selection tools. We will talk on next video about more selection tools, but for the third tool is how it's work and how we can use and what is the purpose of lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool. I hope it will work for you. For any query, for any questions, you can ask me in comment box. Thank you. We will catch you later in next video. Take care. Bye.